Hello crafties and welcome to Crafty Lifestyle. Today I have some great news to share with you, and that is that I am becoming again part of the team of design team for a shop in AliExpress called Wise. And so I've been seeing a lot of people concerned about how secure it is to purchase items from China. And the answer is, I haven't had any major issues with shops in AliExpress, but for sure, Wise Shop is awesome. They ship your items quick. They have awesome customer service, and the best thing, they have quality products. I want to show you some of the dice that came from their shop. Some of these dice are my own designs, and so such as this one, which is a gorgeous house. You can use it as a house, as a church, as many things. And so I had already shown you on one of my previous videos, but I want to show you again what I made using this die. I want to show you like the thickness. These dies are thick. They are quality. And so we have almost 18,000 members in our group. And most of you guys have purchased from Wise previously when I was helping them on the design team about 4 months ago. And so they want me to help them again. And I'm putting my name on this. I'm telling you, you can trust this shop. I'm not sure if they take PayPal. I'm gonna find out about it, and I will let you guys know. I'm gonna also be placing some links to these dies on the description of the video and also on the comments of this post. Great quality, great size. Most of their dies, such as this one it's also one of my designs. They're big. They're 5 by 7 inches, but you can cut them down to fit like your need. If you need them to be smaller, you can always trim it with no problem. These are like great quality. I am so happy that I am part of their team again, and I encourage you to take a look at their shop, their items, and hopefully you purchase from them. The good thing about this, I don't know how to call it because it's not a partnership, is their business. I am designing for them. So they trust me because of my group, because of you guys. Because every time I design something for them, you guys are very supportive and purchase their items. And so that is the reason why they want me to help them again, because of you guys, because we support them by purchasing their dies. So they send us great quality dies. And so this is another one of my designs. You can find the link down there, somewhere in there. This one is not my design, but I love this background die. Great die. I made, using the house cutting knife, I made this card for a baby shower. You can use it for a baby shower, for a welcome baby, you name it. This is great. I really love the way it looks. All the things that you can do with this. So you see here a baby card. I made a boutique, gorgeous boutique. I just trimmed down all the windows and made this tiny house. What a beautiful decoration. I brought it downstairs, but it is actually one of my wall decor on my craft room. This is my third project that I did using the same cutting knife, but this is for a Christmas. And I've been thinking of hanging it on my wall because it is so gorgeous. And so what I did, when you open it, use the same scene that you see here. It's inside of these windows, inside of the door, but it's on a smaller version. It is gorgeous. And so, like I said, I'm begging you to please be supported. Please check out Wise store. They have different stores, but Wise is kind of like the main one. My favorite part about this is that they are going to be reproducing our designs. And so if you have any ideas of a die that you would like, please post it in the comments. And it is great for the reason that they are producing original designs. They're not just stealing somebody else's design and making it. They're making original designs for us. The only requirement is that at least 100 people commit to purchase the die once it's ready, and they're gonna keep reproducing them for us. This is something not easy to find. You won't find it at any other shop. But Wise, they're good people. Thank you so much for your attention, and God bless you, okay? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and thank you so much for being part of my channel and for being part of my group in Facebook. God bless you.